Hell yeah.
Yo, Cuz by Reggie back with another video. Today we're gonna be quick. We got a little bit to unbox, right? So if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike, all that good stuff, right? But in the midst of me being gone, vacationing, I come back to a package from Supreme Trimmer. They did tell me they were sending me some things, but I didn't quite know what it was. One thing that I like from them, if y'all been following me, and if you went to CT and you got the VIP tickets, or if you walk by their booth, you've seen these, and you have a box of these right now. These are aftershave wipes. I like these. Alcohol free, no burn, all that stuff. So they did send me a couple boxes of this. And then since I had the VIP ticket at CT, they also came in the package that they was giving away. But they also sent me their new trimmer, which is the Vader trimmer. I also got the Solo shaver, and I also got the Crunch Light. So we're just gonna unbox these real quick. No review on them just yet. We're just gonna go through them and see what they are, starting with the Crunch Light. Precision cutter head, hyperallergenic foils, lithium ion battery, rotation clogging protection. We'll see what that is. Powerful motor, USB charger, runs for, no, it has an hour and a half of charging time. It don't say how long it runs though, right? But we're gonna open it up and see what's in here. So of course, you got the Supreme packaging, and they sent me the blue shaver. Oh, you get a few things in there. One thing Supreme does do, they do the sending you stickers, which is cool. If you like stickers and all that good stuff. You get the pamphlet, of course. They send it with a bag just in case you're traveling. You got a nice little velvet bag. Cleaning brush comes along with it. Charging block, which I like if you're gonna be doing USB. Send a charging cable as well. I mean charging block, but then you do also have the charging cable. But the most important thing is the machine. It is small. It is very light too. It doesn't feel like a lot in here in the packaging. But case protector. That is the design of it. That is the royal blue. Shout out to the Supreme. I don't have the price of all of these, but I'll put the price on the screen once I'm get the for sure prices. You can see it say Crunch Light on there if you can see it. Very light machine though. I'm trying to take this the foils off. Two cutters in there. See, it got the LED. If y'all can see that, it's blue on blue, so maybe you can. But that is the foil shaver, the Crunch Light. It feels kind of weak. I'm not gonna say it performs weakly, but it doesn't feel the strongest. All right, we're gonna go into the Supreme trimmer. This is the Solo, which is their one cutter. Now this didn't say the runtime, did it? Okay, say 60 minutes. So it got an hour and a half of charge time, 60 minutes of runtime. We're gonna give it a go, of course, though. We're gonna definitely give it a go. But that's okay. This is very small. You got the velvet bag here, charging cable, charging block. This is a 5-watt charging block. Very small. Very, very tiny versus the Uno. Even the length is wider, but the length of it is very small. It does not have this, top on it, but as you can see, oh, that is tiny. It's almost like a at-home, like this. You put this in your makeup case type thing right here. Like it's very tiny. There's a power button here, and I guess this is to take off the foils. One cutter. This is tiny. Like, woo. Okay, so this didn't seem as powerful. It feels kind of, when you turn this one on, you can feel that this is much more powerful than this one. Like, this one got some oomph to that thing. Like, it's 2-hour charging time for 150 minutes of runtime, powerful motor, low noise, travel lock, USB charging light. All right, that right when you cut it on, this. All right, so charging port down there, look like Type C, but this feels very powerful, but it's tiny, it's very small. But we're gonna see what that's like as well. That's what we're here for. We're gonna see how everything actually performs. Let's get into the Vader. The Vader trimmer. I did see them selling this at their booth. I was gonna go get them, then I ended up not. Luckily I didn't, because they sent me one, so that's cool. LED indicator. Get over there. LED indicator, charging stand, wall adapter, Type C charging, lithium battery, ergonomic. So that's everything that comes in it. Actually, each one of these comes with a velvet bag, so that's kind of cool. But put the trimmer to the side for a second. Charging stand. It's feel very light. Guards, USB cable. I got you 2 cables in there. Block, so I have plenty of blocks now. Velvet bag, and of course, like I was just talking about, you get you some stickers. And again, as far as price, and I'm pretty sure all of these are out, but as far as price, I do not know at the moment. Let's get this out the bag. So that is the, if y'all know me, y'all know I love a good red and black. There goes the blade here. Already oiled up, a lot of oil. Feels kind of, it's all plastic, feels kind of light. Very quiet in the sense of a trimmer these days. Oh man, and it looks like, of course, we're gonna have to put it to work, but we look like we already ready to go. So I'm actually excited to try this out. I'm actually excited to try that out. Did it go over runtime or anything yet? 210 minutes of runtime. Does not have how long it takes to get that charging time, but nonetheless. So that is my package from Supreme. While I was gone, came back to a nice little package. Look at those array of colors. Look at those array of colors. But that's what I got from Supreme. I got their Vader trimmer, Crunch Light. We will give it a go. This I'm actually excited to give a go. That shaver I'm going to use, but this one, for it to be in that size and got that power, that when you feel it right when you cut it on. And then we're gonna give this trimmer a nice run. Now, again, I got a lot of products. I'm gonna try to get everything out in a reasonable time, but I do have to try the products out for a certain amount of time for me to get a good review. So I will have it out. That is the Vader trimmer, Supreme Solo, and then the Crunch Light. All right, the prices are on the screen. In the description, you can go to their website and try everything out. And yeah, shout out to Supreme. Thank you for sending these to me, and I'll let y'all know how I like them very soon. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the video, and we'll be back. Peace.